In last lecture, we have completed exercise 1.2. Now we will start new concept which is based on differentiation of logarithmic functions. Okay. That is actually logarithmic differentiation we can say, not actually logarithmic functions. So logarithmic differentiation. Till now we saw different formats म्हणजे जसं की sin to theta, tan to theta फॉर्मॅट मध्ये आपण एक्झाम्पल्स आपल्याला येत होते आणि त्यावेळी आपण डिफरन्शिएशन करत होतो. बट नाउ we'll see examples like you will get such examples like y is equals to in product form, that is two functions product. Then you will get y is equals to quotient form, that is differentiation division form. Then one more form is there, that is index form. Okay, like this fx bracket raised to some gx in means some other function in index form. So like these functions we are going to face and we have to differentiate them. Then how we can differentiate them easily? So for this type of functions we will take help of logarithm rules actually. So everyone knows three basic rules of logarithm. That is, if we have function log mn, right? Log of two multiplication functions, then we used to write it as log m plus log n. This is log rule, basic rule. Then another function, another log rule we have for quotient form. That is, if we have log of m by n, then the formula is log m minus log n, right? And for this type of function we have log rule, that is, if it is log m raised to something n, okay, then we used to take this index in front side, that is n log m. बेसिकली होणार काय आहे की हे जे fx रेज टू gx हे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड फंक्शन्स जरी असतील आणि आपण लॉगच्या या रूल्सचा यूज करून त्यांना सॉल्व्ह करायला गेलो तर वी नो दॅट लॉग डिफरन्शिएशन इज व्हेरी मच इझी. दॅट इज डिफरन्शिएशन ऑफ लॉग एक्स. ठीक आहे, एक्सच्या जागी आता कुठल्याही फंक्शन असू शकतं, बट बेसिक डिफरन्शिएशन ऑफ लॉग एक्स इज सिम्पली 1/x. So if we take this take help of these log rules for these functions, then we can solve them easily and we can differentiate them easily. So this type of functions we are going to face, and for that we will take help of these three basic rules. So just write down these three rules and this type of functions. Okay. So now instead of wasting time in solving solved examples, we'll directly start exercise 1.3. So you will get understand those sums also. But go through those solved examples also which are in textbook. So the question is y is equals to x plus 1 square upon x plus 2 bracket cube into x plus 3 bracket raised to 4. So now see, for such these are the different functions other than which we saw in previous exercises till 1.2. Now here you can say there is combination of quotient, and in denominator there is combination of product form. So that time you should understand that this is quotient form first. So we should use log, because with that only we can differentiate easily. जर तुम्ही इथे directly आपल्याला माहिती आहे की हा जर u upon v ने आपण सॉल्व केला डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ u by v, तर तो पण फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला माहिती आहे, पण त्याने जर सॉल्व केला तर हा खूप कॉम्प्लिकेटेड असणार आहे. आणि म्हणून असे जर क्वेश्चन्स असतील की क्वोशंट फॉर्म आहे आणि त्यात सुद्धा डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये किंवा न्यूमरेटर मध्ये मल्टिप्लिकेशन फॉर्म आहे, तर दॅट टाइम वी शुड टेक लॉग ऑन वी शुड टेक हेल्प ऑफ log functions and log rules. So in such forms, now first of all consider this question as y only. A question asa hai, so start with let y is equals to this. Now before starting differentiation we have to take log on both sides. So taking log on both sides, so it will be log y on LHS side, and then it will be log of big bracket in numerator x plus 1 bracket square upon x plus 2 bracket cube into x plus 3 bracket raised to 4. So first of all here this is, you can see this is log of something m upon something n form, right? So as we write over here that reason as log m by n is equals to log m minus log n. So just put this question in this form. Okay, so it will be therefore log y is equals to, first of all it is log of x plus 1 bracket square, then it is minus of this full bracket. Okay, so just write down this with also bracket, so minus log of big bracket inside that these two small brackets. So x plus 2 bracket cube into x plus 3 bracket raised to 4. Okay, now you can again see that here this is log of m raised to n. So we will use that formula for this. First of all we are simplifying the y and then we differentiate. Okay, so जोपर्यंत आपलं simplification complete होत नाहीये, like इथे पण आपल्याला दिसतंय की we can use here log m n rule. इथे आपण पाहू शकतो की we can use log m raised to n rule. So जोपर्यंत सगळे रूल्स यूज करून होत नाही, सिम्प्लिफिकेशन फॉर्म मिळत नाही, तोपर्यंत सिम्प्लिफाय करायचे and then we will start differentiation. Okay, so this will be two types. This index form will come in front. So 2 times log x plus 1, and now here it is. So here we have to use bracket again because this is log mn. So it will be log n, that is this x plus 2 cube plus again log this second bracket x plus 3 raised to 4. Okay, so here you can give square bracket also, and if you want in starting जोपर्यंत तुम्हाला सवय होत नाहीये किंवा रिझल्ट दिलं तर खूपच बेटर आहे. सो इथे तुम्ही रिझल्ट देऊ शकता ॲज सिन्स log mn is equals to log m plus log n, and again log m raised to n is equals to n log n. Okay, so these two हे दोन रूल्स आपण इथे या स्टेपला यूज केले. नाउ again we have to open up this bracket. So the final log y will be, therefore log y is equals to 2 times log x plus 1 minus, इथे तुम्ही along with इथे सुद्धा सी log m square rule यूज करू शकता. So along with that you can write 3 times log x plus 2, इथे सुद्धा plus minus minus, and this 4 using this rule will come in front. So 4 log x plus 3. ठीक है, so this is our simplified log y. Now we can differentiate this. Just write down differentiate with respect to x. The step will be, now see here. Now we cannot directly write dy by dx. आपण इथे direct dy by dx लिहू शकत नाही, कारण first of all we have to differentiate this log y. सो लॉग वायचं डिफरन्शिएशन म्हणजेच ddx ऑफ आपला लॉग एक्स काय असतो 1/x. सो जस्ट इन्स्टेड ऑफ एक्स देर इज वाय. सो आपण काय घेणार आहे लॉग वायचं डिफरन्शिएशन 1/y. ओके 1/y. बट ॲज दिस इज इन्स्टेड ऑफ एक्स दिस इज वाय. आपल्याला माहिती की जेव्हा आपण कंपोजिट फंक्शन येतं किंवा अदर दॅन एक्स फंक्शन असतं आणि त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपण घेतो तेव्हा जे इनर ब्रॅकेट असतं त्याचं फंक्शन सुद्धा त्या फंक्शनचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह सुद्धा आपल्याला घ्यावा लागतो. सो वायचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय येणार विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स dy/dx. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर हे तुम्हाला प्रत्येक एक्झाम्पलमध्ये आता फेस करावं लागणार आहे की जेव्हा पण तुम्ही आता लॉगचा यूज करून एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह करता तेव्हा इथे डिरेक्ट dy/dx येणार नाहीये. वॉट एव्हर वाय इट इज किंवा दुसरं मोस्टली वायच आहे आपल्याला वायच कन्सिडर करतो. सो 1/y इंटू dy/dx असं LHS साईडला मिळणार आहे. त्याच्यामुळे तो 1/y अजिबात विसरायचा नाहीये बिकॉज दॅट इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ आन्सर दॅट वाय विल कम इन LHS साईड आफ्टरवर्ड्स. ओके सो तो सुद्धा आन्सरचा पार्ट असणार आहे. नाव विल सॉल्व RHS. सो 2 इज कॉन्स्टंट दॅट विल बी ॲज इट इज अँड लॉगचं फंक्शन आहे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय असणार आहे 1/x+1. अगेन आय कॅन से and we can see also that it is composite function, so we have to take derivative of this x+1. So आता आपण डायरेक्टली सुद्धा लिहू शकतो ddx ऑफ लिहायची गरज नाही और else this is first question, so I will write but next time direct answers मिळेल तरी म्हणजे या स्टेपसाठी. so ddx of x+1 here we can take, then minus this 3 will be as it is into this will be 1/x+2 and into derivative of x+2. Then this minus 4 into 1/x+3 into derivative of x+3. Okay, so just we have to write down the answers now. Okay, so therefore 1/y dy/dx is equals to, now see this is our answer, but we have to write now answer for this step, that is derivative of x+1. now derivative of x will be 1 and derivative of 1 will be 0, so 1 plus 0 will be 1. म्हणजे या पूर्ण ब्रॅकेटचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय असणार आपला इनर 1 and that 2/, so therefore this will be 2/x+1 and that is in multiplication if you want you can write 1. so minus this will be 3/x+2 into again here derivative of this bracket will be 1, so multiplication 1, then minus 4/x+3 and derivative of this bracket will be 1, so in multiplication 1. so just we have to write down the final answer now. 1/y dy/dx is equals to 2/x+1 minus 3/x+2 minus 4/x+3. And remember we have to write the answer for dy/dx. so every time in final state this 1/y will go that side as y, so the final answer is dy/dx is equals to y times, so this full these three functions we have to write in bracket, so in bracket 2/, and it is x+1 minus 3/x+2 and minus 4/x+3. okay, and one more thing, instead of y as we have y function in actual, so just put that value over here. So the final step will be dy/dx is equals to, instead of y write the given question x+1 bracket square upon x+2 bracket cube into x+3 bracket raised to 4, and along with that this full bracket. So 2/x+1 minus 3/x+2 and minus 4/x+3. okay, so this is the final answer. so like this we are going to solve some other formats, म्हणजे असेच असणार आहेत जे आपण 3 रूल्स मध्ये पाहिले लॉगच्या 3 रूल्स मध्ये तेच रूल्स आपल्याला या फॉर्मॅट्स मध्ये यूज करायचे. So this is the first question, so just take a screenshot. Yes, now we'll move further for second question. Question 2 is cube root of 4x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 2x bracket square. Okay, so again first we will consider this. Let y is equals to, okay, given question. Now again you can see this is quotient form, but before that it is in cube root. Okay, so this y we will write first as cube root. We can write in raised to form as 1 by 3, right? So we will write in that form 4x minus 1 upon this 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 2x square and bracket raised to 1 by 3. Okay, now we will take again, in order to solve this question, we will take help of the log function. So taking log on both sides, so this will be log y is equals to log of 4x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 2x bracket square and whole bracket raised to 1 by 3. Now again you can see here only this is of the form log m raised to n. So we will use that rule over here. So it will be 1 by 3 in front and log of full bracket. And this side is log y. Now after this, here we can see that this is log of m upon n form. So now here we can use that rule. This will be 1 upon 3 log of 4x minus 1. Now this 1 by 3 is common for this whole part. So here we will give square bracket. And this is log of 4x minus 1 minus log of, again here we have to use, so here we can give curly bracket, log of 2x plus 3 plus into 5 minus 2x bracket square. Okay, and curly bracket complete. Okay, इथे काय केलं आपण, log m by n फॉर्म होता, so that is log m minus log n. So log m that is log 4x minus 1 and minus log n च्या जागी हे पूर्ण येणार आहे दोन ब्रॅकेट्स मल्टिप्लिकेशन चे. So log, consider this as n. Okay, now again over here we will split this term. This is 1 by 3 log 4x minus 1 minus, आता इथे आपण डायरेक्ट यूज करूया, that is minus bracket also will, or we can use afterwards. जोपर्यंत सवय होत नाही तोपर्यंत तुम्ही छोट्या छोट्या स्टेप्स दिल्या तरी चालतील, पण एकदा सवय झाली की खूप स्मॉल स्टेप्स पण यायची गरज नाही आहे. सो दिस विल बी देन log m plus log n. So log 2x plus 3 plus log 5 minus 2x bracket square. Okay, now just open up the bracket. So the next step will be log y is equals to 1 by 3 log 4x minus 1 minus, आता आपण ब्रॅकेट सोबत करूया, minus log 2x plus 3 and minus, now here we will use log m raised to n rule also, so it will be first plus minus minus and 2 will in front using that rule. So log 2 log 5 minus 2x. Now this is our simplified log y. Okay. Now just apply the derivative and start solving. So differentiate with respect to x. आता राहिला प्रश्न हा या 1/3 चा. हा 1/3 तुम्ही प्रत्येक ठिकाणी लिहिला तरी चालेल, पण ॲज इट इज कॉमन तो आपण बाहेर ठेवला तरीही चालेल. पण फक्त तुम्हाला त्याच्या बाहेर ठेवल्याच्यानंतर एक ब्रॅकेट द्यावं लागेल जर तुम्ही कॉमनमध्ये लिहिता. So it is now 1/y first and then dy by dx, and this 1/3 is constant, so it is as it is. Now inside this derivative, okay, just apply first d dx of log 4x minus 1 minus d dx of log 2x plus 3 minus 2 times d dx of log 5 minus 2x. Okay. Bracket complete. And therefore 1/y dy by dx is equals to this 1/3 as it is. Now write down all the derivatives. So this is now 1/4x plus 4x minus 1, sorry, and then in multiplication we'll take derivative of this inner bracket, so we'll write it as it is, derivative as it is. So काय होणार आहे, 4x minus 1 ब्रॅकेटचा जेव्हा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेणार आहोत तेव्हा 4x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह येणार आहे 4 आणि -1 चा असणार आहे 0, so only 4 minus 0 4. So then it is 1/2x plus 3, and in multiplication now we'll take derivative of this inner bracket. So just see, 2x derivative will come as 2 and this plus will come 0, म्हणून आपण फक्त तोच लिहिणार. So if you want you can write over here like this in bracket 2 plus 0, but no need. Okay. पण म्हणजे सांगायचा अर्थ असं की या ब्रॅकेटचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह असा फॉर्ममध्ये येणार आहे, बट नाव वी आर यूज टू दिस. हे खूप स्मॉल टर्म्स आहेत आपल्यासाठी आता, सो वी कॅन राईट दिस डेरिव्हेटिव्ह डिरेक्टली. सो -2 times now this log derivative will be 1/5 minus 2x, and in multiplication derivative of this 5 minus 2x it will be now. Now see, this 5 derivative will be 0 and minus 2x derivative will be 2, so -2. So if you want you can write like this, 0 minus 2. Okay, understood? So that's why instead of this directly minus 2. Now just combine all the terms. So this is 1/3 outside. Now here it will be 4/4x minus 1 minus 2/2x plus 3 minus, now see, 2 to the 4, but this minus, these all are in multiplication. Okay, so 2 to the 4 and this minus will plus, and this is 4/5 minus 2x. So answer is done. Just take this y that side, 1/y that side. So therefore it is dy by dx is equals to y times, so y upon 3 it will be, na? So y upon 3 and then this full bracket. Okay, and now just write instead of this y, write down the given question. Dy by dx is equals to, now it will be cube root of, so this 1/3 will write over here, and now cube root of 4x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 2x bracket square. Okay, so this is only y. Now write down this full bracket. So in multiplication, 4/4x minus 1 minus 2/2x plus 3 plus 4/5 minus 2x. So this is the final answer.